السلام عليكم. أهلا بزملائي الكرام إلى درس الثاني في برنامج تكلم العربية مع أوباكيدز على قناة أوباكيدز لينك. اليوم بإذن الله تعالى سنتكلم عن معنى وكيفية استخدام اسم الإشارة هذه في الكلام مع الأمثلة التوضيحية. لنبدأ بسم الله تعالى. Welcome to the second lesson on Speak Arabic with Obakids program. Today, inshallah, we're going to discuss the use of demonstrative pronoun hazihi, which also means this. We shall talk about its meaning, usefulness, and its functions when it is used in a sentence. Also, at the end of the lesson, we shall talk briefly on the differences and similarities between and in the use of haza and hazihi. Follow me. The word hazihi is an Arabic word which means this. It is also one of the demonstrative pronouns used to point to an object that is close to us. But this time around, the object must be a singular feminine object. The following are some of the examples. In this case, this is hazihi. Hazihi means this. This is madrasatun. Madrasatun means a school. Now if we join hazihi and madrasatun together, it makes hazihi madrasatun. Say after me.
hazihi madrasatun.
Which means this is a school. Let us view the example again. This is hazihi. Hazihi is a singular demonstrative feminine pronoun which means this. This is madrasatun. Madrasatun is a singular feminine noun which means school. Now if we join hazihi and madrasatun together, it makes hazihi madrasatun, which means this is a school. Let us go to another example. This is hazihi. Hazihi means this. This is bintun. Bintun means a girl. Now if we combine hazihi and bintun together, it makes hazihi bintun. Say after me.
hazihi bintun.
Which means this is a girl. Let us look at the example again. This is hazihi. Hazihi is a singular feminine demonstrative pronoun which means this. This is bintun. Bintun is a singular feminine noun which means a girl. Now if we combine hazihi and bintun together, it makes hazihi bintun, which means this is a girl. Let us go to another example. This is hazihi. Hazihi means this. This is bakaratun. Bakaratun means a cow. Now if we combine hazihi and bakaratun together, it makes hazihi bakaratun. Say after me.
hazihi bakaratun.
Which means this is a cow. Let us view the example again. This is hazihi. Hazihi is a singular demonstrative feminine pronoun which means this. This is bakaratun. Bakaratun is a singular feminine noun which means a cow. Now if we combine hazihi and bakaratun together, it makes hazihi bakaratun, which means this is a cow. Let us go to another example. This is hazihi. Hazihi means this. This is talibatun. Talibatun means a female student. Now if we join hazihi and talibatun together, it becomes hazihi talibatun. Say after me.
hazihi talibatun.
Which means this is a female student. Let us view the example again. This is hazihi. Hazihi is a singular demonstrative feminine pronoun, which means this. This is talibatun. Talibatun is a singular feminine noun, which means a female student. Now if we join hazihi and talibatun together, it makes hazihi talibatun, which means this is a female student. Let us go to another example. This is hazihi. Hazihi means this. This is mirwahatun. Mirwahatun means a fan. Now if we join hazihi and mirwahatun together, it becomes hazihi mirwahatun. Say after me.
hazihi mirwahatun.
Which means this is a fan. Again, this is hazihi. Hazihi is a singular feminine demonstrative pronoun, which means this. This is mirwahatun. Mirwahatun is a singular feminine noun, which means a fan. Now if we join hazihi and mirwahatun together, it becomes hazihi mirwahatun, which means this is a fan. Let us move on to another example. This is hazihi. Hazihi means this. This is mil'aqatun. Mil'aqatun means a spoon. Now if we combine hazihi and mil'aqatun together, it makes hazihi mil'aqatun. Say after me.
hazihi mil'aqatun.
Which means this is a spoon. Let us look at the example again. This is hazihi. Hazihi is a singular feminine demonstrative pronoun, which means this. This is mil'aqatun. Mil'aqatun is a singular feminine noun, which means a spoon. Now if we join hazihi and mil'aqatun together, it becomes hazihi mil'aqatun, which means this is a spoon. Let us go to another example. This is hazihi. Hazihi means this. This is ghurfatun. Ghurfatun means a room. Now if we join hazihi and ghurfatun together, it makes hazihi ghurfatun. Say after me.
hazihi ghurfatun.
Which means this is a room. Again, this is hazihi. Hazihi is a singular feminine demonstrative pronoun, which means this. This is ghurfatun. Ghurfatun is a singular feminine noun, which means a room. Now if we combine hazihi and ghurfatun together, it becomes hazihi ghurfatun, which means this is a room. Let us go to another example. This is hazihi. Hazihi means this. is hakibatun. Hakibatun means a bag. Now if we combine hazihi and hakibatun together, it becomes hazihi hakibatun. Repeat after me.
hazihi hakibatun.
Which means this is a bag. Let us look at the example again. This is hazihi. Hazihi is a singular feminine demonstrative pronoun, which means this. This is hakibatun. Hakibatun is a singular feminine noun, which means a bag. Now if we combine hazihi and hakibatun together, it becomes hazihi hakibatun, which means this is a bag. Let us go to another example. This is hazihi. Hazihi means this. This is tabibatun. Tabibatun means a female doctor. Now if we combine hazihi and tabibatun together, it becomes hazihi tabibatun. Say after me.
hazihi tabibatun.
Which means this is a female doctor. Let us look at the example again. This is hazihi. Hazihi is a singular feminine demonstrative pronoun, which means this. This is tabibatun. Tabibatun is a singular feminine noun, which means a female doctor. Now if we combine hazihi and tabibatun together, it becomes hazihi tabibatun, which means this is a female doctor. It is important to take note that all the nouns using the above examples end with al-tanween. Let us view those examples again. Madrasatun. Repeat.
madrasatun.
Madrasatun means a school. Bintun.
bintun.
Bintun means a daughter. Bakaratun.
bakaratun.
Bakaratun means a cow. Talibatun.
talibatun.
Talibatun means a female student. Mirwahatun.
mirwahatun.
Mirwahatun means a fan. Gurfatun.
ghurfatun.
Gurfatun means a room. Hakibatun.
hakibatun.
Hakibatun means a bag. Miliakotun.
lil'aqatun.
Milakotun means a spoon. Tabibatun.
tabibatun.
Tabibatun means a female doctor. This simply means those words are 1. Nouns, 2. Singulars, 3. Indefinite nouns. The similarities between the two demonstrative pronouns, haza and hazihi, is that their both are 1. Used to point to a singular object. 2. Used to point to closed objects. While the difference between the two is that haza is used to point to a masculine object, while hazihi is used to point to a feminine object. For instance, here we have haza and hazihi. Haza is used for singular masculine noun, and hazihi is used for singular feminine noun. Haza waladun. This is a boy. Hazihi bintun. This is a girl. Haza mudarrisun. This is a male teacher. Haza mudarrisatun. This is a female teacher. Haza tabibun. This is a doctor. Hazihi tabibatun. This is a female doctor. haza muslimun. This is a Muslim. hazihi muslimatun. This is a female Muslim. And so on. Summarily, the demonstrative pronoun hazihi is exactly the opposite of demonstrative pronoun haza. They are both in their singular form, used to point to any object which is also in a singular form. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Let's meet on the next lesson for another episode of Speak Arabic with Obakids. Shukra ala al-mushahada. Thanks for watching. Can subscribe to our channel Obakids Link TV, YouTube, Facebook and Instagram.